Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing U.S. immigration, and we're discussing it under the backdrop of this COVID-19 pandemic, this coronavirus issue that we're all dealing with, which basically is taking up all of our attention at the moment because, quite frankly, it's having tremendous ramifications in many different ways, most notably in this video with respect to U.S. immigration. In a recent article from Reuters, that's Reuters.com, articles titled U.S. Suspending Visa Services Worldwide Due to Coronavirus, State Department, quoting directly, the United States is suspending all routine visa services as of Wednesday, and this is dated March 19th, so that was during this past week, in most countries worldwide due to the coronavirus outbreak. A spokeswoman for the State Department said, an unprecedented move that will potentially impact hundreds of thousands of people. Quoting further, the department did not say which or how many countries are halting services. So to specifically get into issues regarding the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok, the following announcement was sent to us at our office regarding a few of our cases. Quoting directly, and this came from the Immigrant Visa Unit of the United States Embassy here in Bangkok. Quoting directly, information for immigrant visa applicants regarding novel coronavirus. As of March 19, 2020, the United States Embassy and Consulate in Thailand are canceling immigrant visa appointments until further notice. We will resume routine immigrant visa services as soon as possible, but are unable to provide a specific date at this time. Once we resume immigrant visa operations, we will contact you with a new appointment date. Applicants who had their immigrant visa interviews canceled due to the cessation of operations will be given first priority for rescheduling. So that is where we stand here locally. We are currently sort of in a shutdown with respect to the end of the U.S. visa process. That's the issuance of the visa itself. Now, I'm going to do another video on this in more detail, but something to take away from this video, it is still possible to file for visa benefits. And those who are just looking to get, who are currently looking to get the process started, especially in light, we generally see folks who have met someone here in Thailand, especially in the fiancé context, met someone here in Thailand, perhaps over the high season, over the winter months from the Western countries, especially in the United States, and they were over here for high season, they met someone, and they're looking to maybe get a fiancé visa back to the United States. This is not going to impact filing of those cases. It is only impacting the end of the process. And by the time those folks who are filing now get around to the end of the process, I suspect this backlog will be cleared. I have dealt with backlogs associated with visa processing before. I've dealt with it in the context of government shutdowns, for example. I've also dealt with it in the context of certain Thailand-specific issues wherein the visa unit shut down briefly because there were certain things going on in Thailand that caused them to move their facilities for temporary periods of time, and it did cause backlogs. These backlogs will be, I think, substantial, but I suspect they will be cleared by the time we're dealing with cases coming into the end run of, for example, the end run of a processing time on a K-1 visa. So, or an immigrant spouse visa for that matter. So I don't think that this should be viewed as being a dissuasive video for those who are looking to start the visa process. But for folks that are in the middle of it, yes, this is certainly not good news. We are continuing to work here. Our offices are still operating. We are working remotely where it's warranted. But for now, and I'm certainly, as you can see, I'm here making videos, doing what we always do. We are going to continue to work for our clients and keep things going. And we're going to sort of have these cases chambered and ready when the visa unit becomes fully operational again. We're going to have these cases on hand to go ahead and move all that stuff through. And we're going to continue filing cases for our clients so that things move through as smoothly as possible in cases moving forward. But the thing to take away from this video for now, visas are not going to be issued by the U.S. Embassy here in Thailand, or for that matter, to the best of my understanding, basically any post around the world until further notice.